what's going on? I'm the JakeOfALL, and this is a 2-minute tool review. It's gonna be a little longer because I have to wait for this to boot up, but I wanna show you something. This is a gas detector. Now, I am in Florida. We use gas a little bit less, but if you have an RV or you're in a house that has gas, I'm gonna show you on this, while this thing is calibrating, how this thing works. I'm gonna show you a little bit about it, okay? It's the TopTes. It is a gas leak detector, meaning anywhere gas is coming from, and so far I've tried it with a lighter, I've tried it with propane. All right, there, it is calibrated. Now, what this thing is gonna do is if something, say for example, we wanna make sure, right? Is the gas running? Do we have a leaky pipe? Okay. It's gonna take a second for the gas to dissipate from it. It's gonna blow down. It was all the way up there, meaning it had a pretty good bit of gas. 50 some seconds left. Another example, right, is this. So if this thing is on and it's making its noise, right? So there you go, it's detecting. Let's turn this off. That gas is there, which means if you are plumbing a house, you've got a stove you're putting in, this thing is going to detect. If you've got a leak, you don't have to do the soap and bubbles, so it's definitely something nice to have in your bag. And what's even cooler about it is I have 2 of them. And you guys know how I do some of these 2-minute tool reviews, right? How do I normally do them? And this is why it's gonna take a little bit longer than 2 minutes. There it was. So, if you stuck around, you know that these 2-minute tool reviews are only supposed to be 2 minutes, but this one's also going to be a giveaway. So, this is the PT199 from TopTes. I'm gonna have a link in Amazon for it with a coupon code. It's like JakeOff10, but it'll be in the description of the video. And you can buy one yourself. Or if you're feeling lucky, and I'm gonna make 2 of you feel lucky, because I have 2 of them. The one that I just showed off and one's still in the box, I'm gonna give them away. All you need to do is subscribe to us and comment below what you would use it for. If you wanna go creative on your ideas, totally cool with that. But if you actually have a valid use for it, not I wanna detect my husband if he's been eating too many burritos. But if you want to comment below, I'm a plumber, this is the type of work I do, this would be great. Do that. That's all you got to do. So, and you know, of course, like, share with your friends, hit the notification, all that fun stuff. Any of that stuff you can do, great, better, but it's pretty darn simple. There's not much to it. It comes with instructions. It comes with a little pouch, but it also has a belt clip, so you can just put it down in your bag. Again, when you turn it on, at first, it has to calibrate it, so you don't want to leave it next to a leaky pipe and then turn it on. Very simple, very easy to use. Take it towards your fittings, show it, you know, whoop, here's the fitting, and see if it makes its noise. Then you know. And I literally tried it on like a teeny little lighter to see how little of gas it would detect, and it immediately goes off. So super helpful, super useful. If you don't want to do soap, this is the way to go, and they're not expensive. So if you want to buy one, link is in the description. You can go buy one. Otherwise, you want to take your chances, 2 of you will win this. So I'm the JakeOfALL. This has been a 2-minute tool review times 2, 4 minutes, 6, 7, 8 seconds. Thanks for watching. And you know what I always say, tool out or pack out or something like that. See ya.